System availability is continually growing in importance, and this is exactly the reason why uninterruptible power supply units are being used more and more frequently. Take advantage of this new intelligence for full power supply reliability in the event of a power failure with Quint UPS IQ. So what makes the UPS IQ an intelligent UPS? Firstly, the intelligent battery control automatically detects the battery type and thereby optimizes charging. Secondly, the intelligent battery management. This comprises the state of charge, which detects the current charging state of the power storage device and calculates the remaining battery life. The state of health, which provides information about the remaining lifespan of the power storage device and outputs a failure warning in good time, as well as the state of function, which determines the actual performance capability of the power storage device. Thirdly, the intelligent charging, which converts the charging current and enables recharging with maximum speed and availability. And finally, the data port, which is used for shutting down the PC in a targeted manner via the USB interface, as well as configuring the UPS via PC or memory stick. The case contains a Quint power supply unit, the Quint UPS IQ, and a battery, as well as various loads. The UPS Conf configuration and management software is installed on the notebook. To start with, the UPS solution is wired. The power supply unit is already integrated in the case. The UPS and battery module are snapped on and wired. The cables are already prepared and provided with connectors. The PC is connected to the USB interface. The intelligent battery control automatically detects the connected battery type and maximizes the remaining service life of the power storage device through optimally adjusting the charging characteristics. So, which values can the UPS process? Any, but to name but a few: the battery type, the battery temperature, the charging current or the charging voltage. All values are set automatically, meaning that no manual setting is required. The intelligent battery management determines the current state of charge, SOC, and the remaining battery life, the remaining lifespan, the state of health, SOH, and the current performance capability of the state of function, SOF power storage device. Let's connect a load of 5 amps and then interrupt the mains voltage. The current charging rate is 99%. The remaining battery life is 18 minutes. The bar graph displays the current UPS charging state in increments of 20%. The service life is 7 years and 6 months, and the current performance capability is 100%. Let's half the load to 2.5 amps and read out the values again. The charging state is now 98%, while the remaining battery life is 34 minutes due to the lower current. The remaining battery life is recalculated based on the output current. The adaptive intelligent charging system charges the battery as fast as possible, thereby ensuring maximum system availability. Let's connect 2.5 amps to the load and read out the charging current, 1.52 amps. The load is then increased to the boost current of the power supply unit. The charging current is reduced automatically. It is still only 0.42 amps. The UPS always attempts to charge the battery as fast as possible. The load current does, however, take priority. If this is increased, the charging current is automatically reduced. In comparison to standard UPS solutions, the charging time of the Quint UPS IQ is halved. The UPS can be monitored and configured by PC via the serial interface data port. All settings are preset with typical values. The UPS can therefore be used immediately in the majority of applications. If any settings have been changed, these can be copied by memory stick to any of the various modules. Let's change the buffer time in the software. And insert the memory stick to write the previously saved configuration to the UPS. To do so, the stick to UPS key must be pressed for 2 seconds. Then remove the stick. And check the buffer time in the software. The PC can also be shut down via the USB port. It really is quite easy to replace the battery. To start with, service mode is activated. To do so, both keys must be pressed for approximately 6 seconds. The charging current is now interrupted. This is indicated by means of the alarm LED. The battery housing is opened without tools. The fuse is removed, and the battery cells are replaced. Once the fuse has been reinserted, the battery housing can be closed again. The SOH is reset by pressing a key. This must be pressed and held for 6 seconds. The entire bar graph flashes and acknowledges the SOH reset. Press the 2 keys simultaneously for 6 seconds to continue the charging. The alarm LED goes out. The battery replacement is executed. Now let's round off by summarizing the benefits of Quint UPS IQ. The intelligent battery control, which automatically detects the battery type and optimally detects the charging state. The intelligent battery management, consisting of the state of charge, which detects the current charging state of the power storage device and calculates the remaining battery life. The state of health, which provides information about the remaining lifespan of the power storage device and outputs a failure warning in good time. And the state of function, which determines the actual performance capability of the power storage device. Then thirdly, the intelligent charging, which converts the charging current and enables recharging with maximum speed and availability. Last but not least, the data port, which is used for shutting down the PC in a targeted manner via the USB interface, as well as configuring the UPS via PC or memory stick.